Every kitchen cabinet manufacturer faces the same challenge. Sanding is slow, costly, and inconsistent. What if you could cut sanding costs by 75% and deliver a flawless finish every single time? Introducing the AI Vision Robotic Sanding Workstation, designed to transform your cabinet production. With vacuum suction tables, it handles random placement and different panel sizes with ease. A 3D AI laser vision system generates an ultra-accurate point cloud of each panel's geometry in real time. The robotic arm selects the correct sanding tool and uses AI path planning to move from panel to panel without stopping, fixtures, or programming. It even switches to a square head for precise corner sanding, handling both first and second primer coats. The tilting head mimics human technique: zero gaps, flawless corners, and protected primer integrity. One operator can manage the sanding station alongside a CNC and edge sander. Recipes can be customized for 6 or more panel types: flat, recessed, raised, frame-only, thin groove, and more. Each panel is sanded in as little as 43 to 90 seconds, boosting productivity by 3 to 4 times over manual sanding, up to 350 panels per day. By reducing rework and primer touch-ups, our robotic workstation helps you win more business, lower costs, and deliver flawless cabinets every time.